to aerobics session. There's 3 of us here today. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the arm spin, the arm plate, right? It works here and here
and also down here.
Right. So what we do is we step, do, step, do, step, 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 right, step. And this roughly burns about 100 calories. Right, next we're going to do the Ellen Hyde.
Alright, enough of that Ellen Hyde, because we're all getting a bit wet. From Archie's yeah, some Archie's little smeg. Water, lad.
No!
Let me refill my water, lad. Let me refill my water, lad. Let me refill my water, lad. Let me refill my water, lad.
Kill the spastic!
Now pop yourself.
I think I'll pop your thing.
3, hurry up!